A nation's national power holds significant importance as it determines the perception of foreign countries and their behavior towards ours. Acquiring this status facilitates the ideal formation of foreign relations, encouraging diplomatic affairs, negotiations, and economic agreement with international countries, opening up opportunities for both foreign and national interests. If the Philippines were to be compared to other nations such as the United States, China, Japan, or Singapore, it is undoubtedly behind said countries. And so, when making international affairs, it is often viewed less. For instance, when President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. made a state visit in the United States of America early this year in hopes of convincing US President Donald Trump to reduce the imposed 20% tariffs on Filipino goods, a mere deduction of only 1% or 19% was settled at the end by the two nations. This demonstrates how the Philippines lack relevance to other foreign nations, resulting in unsuccessful attempts of establishing its significance on the world stage. If the Philippines were to, however, manifest a strong and stable national power, comparable to the mentioned nations previously, the country's trajectory and fate might have turned to a completely different path. Through the successful upholding of the national government in maintaining economic growth, discipline, and a clean record, the government will ultimately enhance the country's reputation to foreign nations. This will likely lead to successful negotiations, allowing foreign investments and economic agreements to be made that which improves the country's economic power. Additionally, national security of the country could be improved through peace treaties, settlements, and foreign diplomacies. Moreover, project agreements such as building infrastructure, education, technical innovation would likely to be made possible through foreign investments and loaning for our country. The nation's power is not just the overall capability of a nation to manifest its national interests. It can also be a powerful tool to create a healthy relationship among foreign nations. And that's it for Bayan Muna.